In many regions, the monsoon season starts in June or July, bringing regular rainfall and cooler temperatures that are beneficial for chili plants. The monsoon season typically brings ample rainfall, which is essential for the growth and development of chili plants. The plants require regular watering, and the monsoon season can provide natural irrigation, reducing the need for manual watering. Chili plants prefer cooler temperatures, and the monsoon season often brings lower temperatures, creating an ideal environment for their growth. The warm and moist conditions during this period are favorable for the germination of chili seeds, and the plants can establish themselves well before the onset of dry and hot weather. Monsoon season also brings increased humidity, which can discourage the major pest of chilies such as thrips that typically plague chili plants. Thrips are small, slender insects that can cause significant damage to chili plants by feeding on the leaves and transmitting viruses. One way that monsoon rains can help control thrips infestation is by washing them off the plants. Thrips are not strong flyers and prefer to move by crawling or jumping. When the rains come, the water droplets can dislodge and knock them off the plants, reducing their numbers and limiting their feeding activity. Additionally, the heavy rain can physically damage the thrips and make it more difficult for them to move and feed. The humidity that comes with the monsoon season can also play a role in controlling thrips. High levels of moisture can cause fungal diseases to develop on the thrips, weakening them and reducing their ability to feed and reproduce. Additionally, planting during the monsoon season allows the plants to establish themselves before the onset of dry and hot weather, which can attract more pests. Chili plants generally take around 2 to 3 months to mature, and planting in June or July can allow for a fall harvest, which is ideal for many varieties of chilies. Planting chilies in monsoon can give better growth, reduce pesticide use, reduce cultivation cost and gives good yield. Thus monsoon is the best time to grow chilies. If you love our videos, do subscribe to our channel.